So you're diving into trading, taking those first few steps, but guess what? You don't need to shell out loads of money for some fancy trading package to backtest your strategies. In this video, I walk you through using a free software that has beautiful charts much like TradingView without costing you a dime, and it works seamlessly on Mac, PC and Linux. Plus, with unlimited data for testing and the flexibility to choose candle intervals from seconds to months, you'll have all the tools you need to refine your trading strategies. Let's get started. First things first, let's set up your trading environment. Join me on my computer as I walk you through the process step by step. Search for Dukascopy and click on the official site. Don't worry, it's completely safe to download. Once you're on the site, navigate to Forex Trading, then Trading Platforms and look for JForex. This is the free software we'll be using for backtesting. Download and install the software following the prompts. It's a straightforward process, so just click through until it's finished. Once installed, launch the program and select English as a language. Now that the software is up and running, let's log in. Since we're just starting out, we'll open a demo account. This way you can practice trading without risking any real money. Look for the quick demo registration. Fill in your details and click on JForex to open the platform. Check your email for the login information and copy it into the login screen of the platform. Make sure to select Remember Me for future logins, and just like that, you're logged into JForex. Now let's familiarize ourselves with the platform. You'll see the EUR/USD 5-minute chart displayed. On the left, you have your instruments where you can add or remove trading pairs. For now, let's focus on the EUR/USD pair. You can customize the time frame of the chart by clicking on timeframes. Experiment with different intervals to analyze market data more effectively. JForex offers a range of tools for technical analysis, including indicators like the Relative Strength Index, RSI. You can also draw trend lines, shapes and patterns directly on the chart, just like on TradingView. Now let's talk about backtesting. You'll notice a play button on the toolbar. Click on it to start backtesting your strategies. You can choose the starting point by selecting the desired month. With JForex, you have the flexibility to analyze historical data and simulate trades, allowing you to refine your strategies with confidence. Now that you've familiarized yourself with the basics of setting up your trading environment using JForex, let's delve into executing trades. In the replay mode, navigate to the order panel. Here you can adjust your trading volume, setting it to a level that suits your risk tolerance. If you want to enter at the market price, simply click on the corresponding button as you see on the right or on the left, and you're in. To set your stop loss and take profit levels, use the stop loss and take profit tools. You can adjust these levels according to your strategy, trading and risk management principles. If you prefer to place a buy or sell limit order, use the appropriate buttons and set the price at which you want the order to be executed. Once you've configured your orders, hit the play button to execute the trades. As the trades unfold, you'll notice that you have the ability to adjust your stop loss and take profit levels in real time. This allows you to manage your trades just like you would in a live trading scenario. Now that you've executed your trades, it's time to analyze the results. JForex provides a comprehensive report that details all of your trades, including entry and exit points, profit and loss, and trade duration. By reviewing this report, you can gain valuable insights into the effectiveness of your trading strategy, identify patterns and trends, and use this information to refine and optimize your approach. In conclusion, mastering backtesting is an essential step in becoming a successful trader. By using free software like JForex and following a systematic approach to backtesting, you can gain valuable insights into market dynamics and refine your trading strategies with confidence. So what are you waiting for? Start your backtesting journey today and take the first step towards trading mastery. Happy trading!